Hi guys, Chris Ignato here, and thank you for joining me on my second installment of my nature review series, where I actually look back and reflect on the finds and discoveries of the previous month in nature. So let's get started. May has finished, and let me say, it was a good one. It had all the highlights of spring. Bird nests are popping up all over the place. The geese had their babies following the parents around in that characteristic way that reminds me of a bunch of reporters chasing around a celebrity. You know exactly what I'm talking about with that one. Bullfrog tadpoles have sprouted their legs and are getting ready to take their first leap onto dry land. The flowers were so impressive that I nearly filled my computer with clip after clip of vibrant colors and showy petals. Ferns are now covering the woodland gardens in endless expanses of green. Fields, pastures, and meadows are also covered in green. Grass has finally moved in and taken a firm hold on the landscape. Bees and wasps of all kinds are busy collecting pollen and nectar and constructing new homes. The natural world is full of activity. Heather and I got to go to various habitats and really take in the essence of spring. The hot days have brought us some wonderful storms, and there are definitely more to come. Snakes are becoming commonplace as we look under rocks and logs, or even just taking a stroll. Turtles are in every pond, and we even had the chance to rescue a few from pending doom while crossing busy highways and roadsides. Carp have been courting and jumping out of the water all month, which is actually really cool to see. They get pretty big. We visited South Jersey to catch a late glimpse of the famous bird migrations, but this year was different. Many of the migrant birds have already left or passed right through due to the turbulent spring and lack of early season plants for habitat. We still saw a lot of species though, like nesting cormorants. Shorebirds aplenty. And we even got to watch a lot of horseshoe crabs hitting the shores to reproduce. I regret to say that this year has already proven to be a big year for ticks. But go figure, May was Lyme Disease Awareness Month. Now June has moved in, and I expect to see lots of butterflies and moths taking wing. Caterpillars should be easy to find now. Thunderstorms are going to come rolling in and out, and I expect to see a good storm or two. Speaking of thunderstorms, lightning bugs are going to fill the pastures and meadows by the thousands, lighting up the landscape with their firework-like light displays. And the first mantids will be hunting among the plants and bushes. I also hope to host a few campfire programs for the public while the sun sets, and the distant call of foxes or geese is heard over the sound of water lapping on the banks of the lake, where I take in the fresh air and calmness of a summer night. Stay tuned for June. I hope it's a good one. Chris Ignato, thanks for watching.
Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, if you like this video, be sure to check out this video over here that YouTube has selected specifically for you based on your watch time. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, but you gotta click the bell icon, because if you don't, YouTube will never let you know when a new video of mine comes out. And remember, passion inspires spirit. Chris Ignato, signing out.